Dear students, myself Dr. Yogita Arun Kopte, Sri Sai Baba College, Shirdi. Today we are going to study very important subject, business communication. In this video we will study the meaning of business communication, its types and some example of multiple choice questions on business communication. So let's start with the meaning of business communication. What is the meaning of communication? It means the sharing of information between two or more individuals or groups to reach a common understanding. The word communication is derived from Latin word communis, means common, and hence communication means to say something for common understanding. There are some more meanings of communication. Communication as a process through which individuals mutually exchange their ideas, values, thoughts, feelings and actions with one or more people. Now let's see types of business communication. First, formal and informal communication. Next, oral and written communication. Next, internal and external communication and verbal and non-verbal communication. Now let's see the meaning of formal and informal communication. Formal communication refers to interchange of information officially, while informal communication moves freely within the organization and is not bound by predefined channels and communication routes. It is also called as a grapevine. So let's move towards the next type, that is oral and written communication. Oral communication implies communication through mouth. It is direct conversation, while written communication involves any type of message that makes use of the written word. Written communication is the most important and the most effective of any mode of business communication. So let's go towards next type of communication, internal communication and external communication. Internal communication that take place within the prescribed organization, while external communication is with outside the organization. Now turn towards the next type, non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is the transmission of messages or signals through a non-verbal platform such as eye contact, facial expressions, gestures and postures. Now let's see the next type, that is verbal communication. Verbal communication means communication through spoken and written words. It implies use of words which makes language. It is the ability to communication by using words. Now we are going towards the next types of formal communication. It includes downward communication. Downward communication is the flow of information from superior to subordinates. Let's see one example. Here is a chart given. It shows the communication from managing director to up to the staff and workers. The messages go from different levels like managing director to general manager pass the message to the sectional manager and again towards the supervisor and workers. This is called as a downward communication. Now let's see the next one, that is upward communication. It means information flowing from the lower level of hierarchy to the upper level. The chart shows the message, the ideas and suggestion goes from lower level workers to the manager. The next one, that is horizontal communication. It means the communication where information or messages flows among the similar or same level status of people in the organizational structure. Now you can see the diagram of horizontal communication. It shows that the messages passes through the HR manager, production manager and marketing manager. They exchange their ideas and thoughts within the organization. So it is called as a horizontal communication. Now turn towards the next important, that is type of informal communication. It includes grapevine communication. The meaning of grapevine means to hear something through the grapevine is to learn of something informally and unofficially by means of gossip and rumor. Again, the second meaning is informal vehicle through which message flow throughout the organization. Now we are turned towards the very important point of this video, that is some samples of multiple choice questions on business communication, which is very important for our exam. Number 1, the most important goal of business communication is dash dash. There are 4 options are given. Number 1, A, favorable relationship between sender and receiver. B, organizational goodwill. C, receiver response. And D option, receiver understanding. The answer is option D, receiver understanding. Now the second question, downward communication flows from dash dash to dash dash. Option A, upper to lower. B, lower to upper. C, horizontal. And D, diagonal. The answer is A, upper to lower. Now the next one question is, horizontal communication takes place between dash dash. Option A, superior to subordinate. Option B, subordinate to superior. C, employees with same status. And option D, none of these.